So today I'm going to be learning how to design a BTC investment website from beginning to the end without even any knowledge of coding. You don't need to know how to code before you can design a BTC investment website. And today you're going to find out after this video. So without wasting any much time, let's just go straight to why we are here. My name is Ugwan Collins Ugochukwu, and as always, I'm always committed to teaching you basic tech skills that is going to aid your business, increase your value, and help you earn more. Today, we are going to be designing a BTC investment website. And like I said earlier, you don't need any knowledge of coding. It is very beginner friendly. So I'm going to start from even buying domain name and hosting and, uploading a script and configuring it from beginning to the end. And by the end of this video, you should be able to design a BTC investment website from beginning to the end. Let's start by getting ourselves a domain name. Now, there are so many hosting companies you can get your domain name from, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Namecheap. You go to namecheap.com to get your domain name and hosting. You go to namecheap.com. This course is very beginners friendly, so if you're already a web designer, you know how to get your Namecheap, you know how to get your domain name and your hosting. You don't have to worry about this section of the video. You just have to wait till the part that you want to continue from. But for the sake of people that are just coming in, we are going to start from here. So first of all, when you log into Namecheap, when you open namecheap.com, you may want to just create an account very fast. You click on sign up. It's very easy to create an account. So once you just click on sign up, once you click on sign up, it will open. You just input your username, your password, you confirm your password. I'm not going to be filling this already because I have an account I want to be using. So you put your first name, your last name, your email address, and just click on create account. Now, after creating an account, it will you'll be taken to the Namecheap dashboard. So after registering with Namecheap, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Now this dashboard is not new because I've done some things in it. But as soon as you're done registering, the first thing you want to do is to come down to this place at your left hand side. You click on profile. You click on profile. This is what you should do before you even start getting a domain name or even funding your account. So you click on profile, allow it to load. Then you scroll down, come to this place. I have my address here because I have everything filled up here because I've already done it. But in your own case, nothing will be here, and you'll see add instead of edit. You see add address, add here instead of edit. You need to add your primary address, else you'll not be able to buy a domain name and hosting. All right. When you want to buy a domain name and hosting, you'll still be prompted to put your address here. So you click on add. Mine is saying edit now because I've added it already. So you click on add here. Then you come down here, add your address, your state, province, your city, your zip code, everything, your number. You click on save changes, and that will be that for that. All right. As soon as you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is to fund your account. All right. There are so many ways to get your name and hosting, to buy your name and hosting. Me, I love to use BTC. There are so many options. I love to use BTC. So if you're going to use, I recommend you use BTC too. All right, I recommend you use BTC. So if you're going to use BTC, you just come to this your account balance. Mine is $33 because I've already funded it. All right, I've already funded it, so it's $33. But in your own case, you see 0000. So you just click on top up. All right, if you don't have BTC or any or access to BTC, you can also use your card. You can see the option here, card payment. If you click on it and continue, you add your card details and continue with it. All right. But I love to use BTC. So if you're using BTC just like me, if you're somebody like me, you just click BTC and click on next. All right. When you click on next, you come to this place. I already have $33. You see the minimum you can put is $5. All right. Well, any amount you are putting, like me now, I have $33, but while I was funding my account, I funded with $39 because sometimes they'll charge you like $5. All right, charges may just reduce $5, so it will arrive at $33 because what you're going to be spending in buying name and hosting for 1 year is, I think, $32 plus or $31 something. But I just funded with $39, so when it arrived, I got $33. All right, so I'm not going to continue with this. But let me just show you the next interface. Let me show you the next interface. So let's put $33. Click on Add Funds. Leave it on BTC Pay. Click on Add Funds. I'm going to allow it to load. All right. These things are pretty simple. If you don't understand anything, I'll leave my number so that you can chat me up and ask any question you have to ask. So you click on copy here. See the BTC address you're going to copy. Copy this one. It's already copied. You paste it somewhere, maybe in your WhatsApp, so that you can copy it and send. Or anyhow you want to pay. If you want to scan, you can scan using your blockchain and you make payments. I'm going to go back because I'm not making any payments. I already have money in my account. All right, so I'm just going to go back. So after funding your account, you're going to leave it for like, sometimes it takes 30 minutes, sometimes 1 hour. In some rare occasions, it can even take up to 24 hours for it to reflect. But sometimes just 30 minutes it has reflected, sometimes even before 30 minutes. All right. So let's assume you already funded your account. You have your Namecheap dashboard set up and everything is done. This is your step one completed. All right. This is your step one completed. So the next thing you're going to do is to get a domain and hosting. All right. To get a domain and hosting. So what you're going to do is, this is your dashboard. So you just come to hosting here, click on shared hosting. For the purpose of this, forget about every other thing you're seeing here. For the purpose of this course, shared hosting will just do fine. Shared hosting is just fine. So you come down, click on get started with Stellar, under Stellar hosting, then get started. Click on get started. You see it's $22.88 for 1 year. All right, for the hosting. We're going to connect our name pretty soon. We're going to connect our name. So I'm just allowing it to load so that we'll buy our domain name and connect. All right. You should have a very nice network. I think my network is a bit poor, so it's taking time to load. So let's just exercise patience and wait for it. Okay, it has loaded. So we'll just come down. You select your domain name. All right, domain name. I'm sure you know what a domain name is, but if you don't know what a domain name is, for beginners, I can actually teach you if you come to my DM. So let's click on let's say, which domain am I going to buy? Okay, let's say Winvic Associates. Let's say Winvic Associates. I can leave it as Winvic Associates Limited.com. Let's just leave it at this. Your domain name doesn't matter. You mustn't make it full. If you can make it full if you want. But Winvic Associates Limited.com. That's what I want to do. So anything you can put, it depends on you. Your domain name is strictly your business and your preference, your concern. So once you've done this, you see it's free. If it is not free, sometimes you put the domain name and it's not free. You keep searching until you are shown that it's free, like this. So a domain name costs $9.58 per year, and this is the hosting 22. So if you're adding the both of them, you scroll down, you scroll down like this. You click on connect to hosting. So when you connect to hosting, you see the total amount you are spending here is $32.64. So if you're designing a BTC investment website, maybe for somebody or for yourself or for practice of a project, this is what you're going to spend. If you want to host it for 1 year, you can host for a month, depending on how long you want it to be. So this is all you're going to be spending, all right, in designing a BTC investment website. I don't know the amount it is in Naira. You can check your conversion and you can charge somebody like 250K or 300K, 150, 100K, depending on how much. This is not even up to, this should be like 35K or thereabout. So after doing this, you click on add to cart so that you make payment. I'm sure by now you're understanding how simple this is. You're already feeling yourself, you're already feeling confident in yourself that you can design a BTC investment website. And like I promised, I'm going to get it done. By the end of this video, you should be able to design your own BTC investment website from scratch. That looks very good. All right, so I'm going to, I turned off auto renew because if I'm designing for a client, I'll not just put auto renew, and in my account it's just $33. So auto renew will not work. So I'll just cancel it. You can leave it on depending on your preference. Then you scroll down, click on confirm order. Click on confirm order. You'll be taken to this checkout page. Now, if you didn't fund your account, you can actually pay directly here. All right, put your card name and everything. If you didn't fund your account from the beginning, all right, but like me, I've already funded my account. So I'll just click on account funds. I'll scroll down here and click on account fund. You can see my mouse here. Click on account funds. Follow my mouse. I don't know, just try and follow my mouse because I didn't do any special thing on my mouse for it to. So just click on account funds. So after clicking on account funds, you'll see I already have $33 here. I already have $33 here. So if you click on account funds, if you told your current balance covers your purchase, so you're good to go. So you come down and click on continue. This is where we're getting our domain and hosting. So if you're already familiar with this process, you can just skip to, you can just forward this video to where you want to start from. But I'm just going to run it down very fast for those of us that are new here, that are new to website design. So you just click on pay now. So you're spending $32. I'm sure you were not thinking you were not going to spend any money. This is what you're going to spend in designing a BTC investment website. And if you're very good after learning it, if you're very, very, very good, it won't take you up to 1 hour to design it. Now imagine how much you're going to charge somebody for designing a BTC investment website. Something that will not take you up to 1 hour. You'll be paid for your time. Imagine getting paid 250,000 for 300,000, depending on your circle of, and so after doing this, we are done. Thank you for your order. I think we are done. So you come back to your dashboard by clicking on this name chip here. Click on name chip. Come back to your dashboard. Click see at the right hand side, see account here. Click on dashboard. You see the name you've purchased. Now look at the name you've purchased. Look at it here. It's here. Winvic Limited. Then domain. Let me click on domain list here at the left, my left side of the screen. Domain list. Okay, this is our domain here. All right, it's now active. Okay, let's see our hosting list. Click on hosting list here. Let's see. I'm going to show you something. After buying your domain name and hosting, you have to wait for some time, maybe 30 minutes for the SSL to finish propagating before you start building. You have to wait for like 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes is fine. Sometimes it takes up to 1 hour. But one more thing, what you're going to do is after registering, you'll be sent an activation mail, a domain activation mail. Make sure you click the link to activate your domain. Make sure of that. That is very important. Make sure of that. So immediately, this email must have arrived to my mail. The email must have arrived my Gmail. So I'll just go there and verify my domain. All right. So this is the first part. You've gotten your domain name and hosting. Now look at what I'm trying to say. You see, this place is yellow. This yellow means, you see, SSL certificate. It means it's not activated yet. So you wait. As soon as it turns, is it blue or green? This color, I think blue. Is it blue? Okay. As soon as it turns blue, that means it's now active. You can now start building. So for now, I'll just leave it for some time. I'll refresh my page later to see if it's been activated. I'll just go to my mail now and just activate it. An activation email will be sent to your mail. All right, so just click the link. The link will be there. You just click on it to activate your mail. It's as simple as that. And once you've activated your mail, you come back to this your dashboard. You know the username and password you used to log in. You understand? So you just come back and log in and wait for this to become activated. I think that is that for that in buying your domain name and hosting. That is that. So we're going to move on to the next lesson. But let's wait for this for some time to get activated. Actually access your cPanel through two ways. All right, you can go from your Namecheap dashboard here, like this, and clicking on your cPanel, or you can go to your mail. They must have sent you your cPanel details in your mail. This is what it's going to look like. I just forwarded it to my WhatsApp. This is what it's going to look like. Look at it here. So if you click on this link, I think I showed you this link earlier. If you click on this link, it will open up something like this for you. To open up something like this for you. So you just put your username. The username you're putting here is not the same thing as your Namecheap username and password. They are going to send it to you in your mail. So you put your username here. Look at the username here that I've sent to me. I'll put my username there and I'll now put my password here. All right. Here. So after putting it here and clicking on login, it will still bring me back to still bring me to this interface. So it's the same thing. It's either you go through there or you go through here. So I just quickly had to show you that. This is what it will look like. If you log in for the first time, this is what you look like. So I'm going to click skip. You're going to click skip or just cancel it out from here. All right, so this is your cPanel interface. Before now it used to be different, but I think they've changed it. So this is the new interface. This is where every design is going to be happening. All right, so the first thing you have to do, I'm going to be taking it step by step. So you may want to just pay close attention so that you can understand it carefully. All right, so first of all, let's create our email. I want to start from the least possible thing we can do. Let's create our email. If you scroll down, you can come to email here. All right, email accounts. You can create everything. Emailing is here. This is where you create your professional email. info@yourwebsitename.com, support@yourwebsitename.com, or anything at yourwebsitename.com, customer care at your website, anything at all. This is where you create it. If you don't want to keep searching all these things, if you can just come here and click on email. You see email accounts here. You just click on it. Let's create our professional email because we want our website to have a professional email. So you click on create here. I want to have info@mywebsitename.com and support@mywebsitename.com. So this is it. All right, this is it. So you can put your password here, any password at all. But just don't forget your password, very important. So I would like to click on this reset to make it unlimited so that as much mails can enter and go. So I want to stay on this page, so I'm creating. I want to try to be fast so that I will see if we can actually create a BTC investment website in, say, an hour. So the next email is support. All right, you can put your password here too. Remember, your password can be anything. You mustn't use mine. All right, you can unlimited and click on create. So we've created 2 professional emails. So if you go to list of email here, you can see you have our 2 emails, info and support. So that is the first step. So you go back to your cPanel here at your left hand corner. Go back to your cPanel. So at your cPanel, let me check if I'm still recording. Okay, I am. So you come down. The next thing I'm going to do is go to your file manager. This is where I'm going to be uploading the script. Go to your file manager. This is what your file manager looks like. Click on public _HTML. I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it. So just click on it. See your delete here, delete it. You won't be needing it because you're going to be uploading your own file. So this is what is very, very pretty fine and good to go. So I'm going to click on upload to get the script that I'm going to be using. Select. Okay. Then look for where you have the scripts on your computer. I think I don't have the script on this my computer, so I'll have to send it from my other computer to this. So just give me some minutes so that I'll just get it done and have my script on this computer. All right, so I'm going to pause this video for now. Remember how we got here? We clicked on file manager. We got to this place. All right, I deleted that file here. You can delete any file you see in your own server. You can actually delete it. You click on upload. So I'm going to upload that particular script to I just moved to my system, to my PC. So you just click on select here. You click on upload here. Look at it here. So you just pick it up. Oracle Trade, that's the name of the script. Click on it. So you allow it to upload. You allow it to upload. As you can see, this whole process is very, very simple. And if you are perfect in this, you can actually design a full functional BTC investment website in just 1 hour. All right, so stick with me while we wait for it to upload. You allow it. You don't need to be in a hurry. You allow it to upload. If your network is faster than mine, it's going to be pretty faster. It's going to be faster. It don't take time, so it's worth the wait. Let's wait for it. All these things, if you need to practice If you're having any confusion, if you're having anywhere you're getting confused, you don't need to worry yourself. You don't need to worry yourself too much about it. This is a constant practice. I've been designing websites for the past 7+ years, so you don't expect to be as perfect as I am. You don't expect to be as fast as I am, but constant practice, constant practice. As soon as you're done with this video, I would recommend you just get the whole tools and practice immediately so that you don't forget. All right, the more you practice, the more you, and if you stick with me to the end of this video, there are some things I'm still going to show you at the end of the video. Just some things I'm still going to tell you about the whole thing in case you want to use another front page for your website. Right, you can actually do that. I will tell you how to do those ones at the end of the video, but let's get this one done first. Now it has uploaded up to 100%. You have to leave it for this blue to turn green. It's going to turn green, so let's just leave it. Don't just go back because it's 100%. You have to allow it to turn green. That bar must have to turn green before you can start doing anything with it. All right, so you're waiting for it to turn green. We are waiting for it to turn green. You see, so it has turned green. So this is when you can now go back. All right, this is when you can now go back. All right, so we've uploaded the file. This is the file here. So what you're going to do is to click on it, right click, and come to extract. Let's extract the whole files. Just allow it some time to finish extracting. Yes, it's done. So you click on close here. So one of the pro tip I'm going to be giving you is come to settings, because sometimes some files can be hidden. So just show hidden files and click on save. So that is that for that here in uploading the script. So the next thing you're going to do is to import the database. But before you import the database, you're going to create the database first. So you scroll down to this, you come to your cPanel and scroll down to this place, you see database. If you are not, if you're in a hurry and you don't want to scroll, you can just come here and type database and it will bring you straight to this place. So I'm going to click on this particular one, MySQL databases, so that I can create database and create our database very fast. There's no time. Thank you for following up with this video. If you've been following, if you're still with me, thank you for following up with this video and adding more value to yourself. So if you are clicked on my SQL database, it will bring you to this place. So if you are here, you just type in anything. Let me just type BTC, then click on create database. So if you've created database, you come back here. It has been created, so you just come back here, go back. If you go back, that's the first step. So you come down here and create your user. Create your user. Your user and your database can also have the same name. So just put BTC here. I like to use my database. You can put password as anything here, but I like to use my database name as my password, so it make it easier for me when I'm configuring. You'll still find out later. So put your password. But then again, your password can be anything. All right, your password can be anything, but I just like my database name to be my password, so it will be easy for me when I'm configuring. So come here and click on create user. So when you click on create user, it allow you to create. I don't want to save this, I just remove this, then go back. So if you've created the user, the next thing you're going to do is come down here and add the user to your database. Look at it. Just click on add. Don't worry, this is simple. When you practice it, you understand how simple it is. It's taking time because I'm teaching you. If I am not teaching you by now, I should have been done. Click on all privileges, then come down, click on make changes. I'm trying to make sure this video is no more than 30 minutes. It should be between 30 minutes to 1 hour, so that if you sacrifice your 1 hour time to learn this, you've added a skill, you've added spice to your skill set. So I think after that, you go back to your cPanel here. We've created our database, so we'll go back to our cPanel and we are going to do the next step. And the next step is we are going to import our database. All right, I have a database file that you're going to import now. So to get that done, you come down to this your database column 2. Look at your database column here, but you're not going to click on this one. This time around, you click on PHP My Admin. When you click on your PHP My Admin, you are going to be directed to the PHP My Admin interface, which is this. So this is what it looks like. This PHP My Admin requires a lot of network most times, so as a patient, let's wait for it. Like I always say, practice. Try to always practice. Try to always practice. I like to cross check and see if my recording is still okay. Still recording. So it's still loading. It's still loading. It's still loading. So let's just let it load. Let's let it load. I wish network was faster, but there's nothing we can do about it. We have to manage the network the way we see it. Destination check. So it has loaded up. So this is what it looks like. So you just come to this your database that you created. Look at it here. Click on it. Make sure you click on it. Allow it to load. Then come to import here. Look at it. Click on import. You are importing our database. Click on import. Then here you choose file. Forget about every other thing that is being written here. Now this is the database. I'll make the database available to you too. I think this is just all you need, the script and the database. I'll make them available to you after this video. So you click on go. Click on go. You still allow it to load. You allow it to load. You allow it to load. So yes, they say import has been successfully finished. 122 queries executed. Blah 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 blah. You shouldn't concern yourself with all those things. You are done here. Is that you are done here. So you come back to your C panel. Now we've imported our database. Remember, we've imported our database. We've created our email, and we've created our databases. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is to come to our file manager. Now this is where we are going to configure our database. All right. Our file manager. Click on your file manager again, so that you open up your files that we just uploaded. Remember, we just uploaded the script here. All right. Remember, because we uploaded the script and showed hidden file, this is what it looks like. Make sure you enter public underscore HTML, not public underscore FTP. Enter this one that has this globe icon here. So just enter it. Remember, we uploaded our script previously here, and this is the script. So we are going to configure now. So what we are going to do is click on this core underscore invab. Click on it. Scroll down to this .env. Right click and edit. All right, then edit. Remember, I copied my database name and username. Remember. I hope you remember. If you don't remember, let me go back to it again so that you see it. Now you can always go back to it again by coming to your database here. Where is it? Okay, clicking on this place. I hope you're understanding what I'm teaching. I hope you're getting the point. I already copied it already, so I can just go here and start pasting it, but I want you to actually follow up. Remember, we've already created this database. This is our database. And remember, my database password was still this. And my database name, look at it. My database user was still this. Do you get? So this is the advantage. So that I'll just copy one thing and come and paste here. Remember, we opened our env file. Don't forget, opened our env file. We right clicked here and we got to this place. So this is what you're going to do on line 13. The database name. Remove this default one here and paste this one we just copied. Database username. Remove this default here. Be careful with your copying and pasting, and paste it here. Line 15, remove this database password. You see, I didn't have to use another dashboard, another password, so I just use the same thing. So it's very, very easy. And there's a okay, Control Z. I didn't copy it very well, so be careful when you're copying. I almost made a mistake now, but I just noticed it. You paste it here. So that is that for that. Then here, your URL here, you paste it here. What was my URL? Let me still go back to my name chip and copy it. This is my URL. Your URL will be on the name of your website, right? So I'll just paste it here. Then the name of the website is what you paste here. Let me just paste Winvic Associates. Did I get it right? Limited. So I think that is that for that. You just come here and click on Save Changes. Come here and click on Save Changes. So the next thing we have to do is to go back to our cPanel here. Remember, our cPanel is very, very important. Go back to our cPanel here. There's one last thing you need to do, and your website is good to go. Now, if you come here, you have to change the PHP version of this server. PHP version of this server. I don't want to scroll down, but if you want to scroll down, I just search for it and look at select PHP version. But if you want to scroll down, let's just do it for the sake of people that are new here. PHP version, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, where is it? I can't find it here. But it's nowhere here. But most times I don't like going like this because it's stressful. So I just search for it. If you look at it, select PHP version. It's even in the first column. So I'll select it here, or you can search for it there and just get it done. Your PHP version for this particular script, for the purpose of this particular script, your PHP version should be 7.4. Don't forget, 7.4 is your PHP version. So let's allow it to load. Let's allow it to load. Let's allow it to load. Everything I'm doing here, remember what you need: your PC, internet connection, your domain and hosting, and the script and database that I'll provide for you. So currently in 8.0, so you're going to bring it down to 7.4. All right, then click on apply. As simple as that. You allow it to finish applying the changes. Or allow it to finish applying the changes. So congratulations, you just designed a BTC investment website. So with this that we've done now, I'm going to show you what the BTC investment website we designed is going to look like before we start editing. I've not edited anything yet. We just designed it and it's now live. All right, so let's see what our website looks like now. So I'm going to just open another tab to if we did everything correctly, then our website should show up. We did everything correctly, our website should show up and you see what we've designed. It's pretty simple. It did not take up to 1 hour if I'm not mistaken. You allow your website to load, and if your website is slow in loading, there is something you are going to do about it to make it a little bit fast, and I'll let you know at the end of this video. There's something I'm going to do to make it fast if it is slow. Okay, I think it is slow. It is relatively slow, so it's quite slow, but it's not too slow. The speed is fine. So if your website is slow, this is what you're going to do. Let's quickly do it. Let's not wait for the end of the video. Let's quickly do it. Our logo here is not loading because I think network. So I'm going to just go back to our files. Remember, this is our file manager. I'm going to go back to it and click on this same core env. This is to make our website faster. But there are some codes here that is slowing the website down. So if you enter here, you come to resources. This is optional. You don't have to, because some people might actually be comfortable with the speed, and to me it's not actually quite it's not too slow. I think it's even my network. So then if it has opened, you click on views, then come to where okay, front end, I think, layouts. master.blade. You right click and you edit. There are some codes I want you to remove. You know, those codes may be making it slow. Don't bother about every other thing here. Just come to this search bar, click on it, and click on 24 stock. Now this thing is optional. You mustn't do this. You mustn't just look at it here. So come here carefully. Start from here. As you can see, remove from this place to this place. Remove this code. Remove it. Come down to this place again. Look at the second one here on line 14. Remove this code from here to here. Remove it. Let's search if we have this 24 stock again. Search again. Okay, look at it here. The JavaScript code. Start from here, line 149. Remove it to this place. This is an external. This is an additional something. It is not compulsory. Yeah, but if you want your website to be a bit faster, you can just remove this code. This code is slowing it down. The code is for something, but we don't need it. We are done with it. So just click on Save Changes. So I'm going to refresh this page. Control F5 to force reset. So as you can see, we've designed a full BTC investment website, and this is what it looks like. I just reloaded the page, so let's just allow it to finish loading. We are still going to edit it. The next part of the video is we editing everything. We customizing it to our own taste, because this thing is a script. All right. This thing is a script, so it comes with default logos and everything. Look at it as loaded. We are going to change this logo. This logo will not be appearing like this. So as you can see, everything is. We are going to edit the MAC network and everything. We're still going to edit everything. All right. This is what it looks like. Our website is pretty, if you ask me. Then these are the investment plans, advantages. I'm having issues with network, so it's not loading completely. So this is what it looks like. All right. I'm having issues with my network. So if you click on the person can register, you click on register. You click on register. Click on register to take it to the registration page. Then you click on login, it also take it to a login page. So this is your registration page. You can see this is a registration page. And if you have an account, sign in instead. This is your sign-in page. All right. So you see, very simple. We've created a full functional website from scratch without any knowledge of coding. Now, you don't need any knowledge of coding to actually get this done. All right. You don't need any knowledge of coding. But if you have knowledge of coding, it's an advantage to you. Instead of coding from scratch and wasting time design. If you want to design this website now, you're coding it from scratch. This will take you like months to get it done. Months, 3, 4, 6 months to get it done. But now we've just designed it in 1 hour. So even if you know how to code or you don't know how to code, this is very important that you know, in case you want to, because people are not ready to wait for you to design the BTC investment website for them in 6 months. They just want to get it done as fast as possible. So having said that, this is it. So what we are going to do now is to access our admin and edit some other things that we'll have to edit in the website. Okay, so now that we are done designing the website, you've seen it's very simple. We've gotten to the level where our website is now live. So let's customize it now. Let's get it to be our own. All right. So we are going to start by logging into our admin. To log into your admin is just very simple. On the website, straight from the website here, just click on login. We are going into our admin to make some customizations. So I'm going to share you the passwords to your admin, the details to your admin. All right, I'm going to share with you. It is customizable. You can actually customize it yourself. So we'll have to log in. This is the default details. So I'll show you what the admin looks like. So most of the customization will be done from the admin. We're going to be adding our own logo. All right. After designing it, your logo will come with a default logo. So you're going to be adding our own logo. So this is what your admin looks like. Now this admin has a lot of things because I'm already populating the website already. So, but your own will be very, very blank. All right. Your own will be very, very blank. So this is what your admin is going to look like. All right. Admin is going to look like this. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to change our want to customize it. Now you enter your application settings. This is the first place you would want to go. Application settings, click on global settings. All right, we're customizing our design. We just have a very brief customization. um, Scroll down to site information. We'll click on site information. Then this is what we'll have here. I already edited this, but I will show you what to do. All right, I already edited some part of this. So no matter what your own comes with, all right, you're going to edit to the name of your own website, Winvic Finance Limited. All right, then your site email for sending mails and the rest of them, make sure it's your website URL. All right, remove this and paste yours here. All right, scroll down. I think that is that for this part. Just click on update. Website settings successfully updated. You come to brands and theming. This is where we are going to be uploading our image. So click on browse. I already designed an email here. Sorry, an image here. I already did that already. I use Canva. So for you to design, this is not a promotional video, but for you to design a very fast logo, Canva is what I use. As you can see, I just designed my own logo here. So we are going to upload it. All right, I'm going to upload it. So I have my logo. You can find a way to, you can actually design a logo in so many ways. You have so many softwares you can use to design your logo, or you can outsource that. And if you want to learn how to get your logos fast too, you can still contact me and I'll let you know how to get that done. Where is my logo? The one I want to use. Okay, it should be on downloads. Okay, Winvic logo. So I'll just click on it. Open. Click on upload. We're uploading our logo. All right. Uploading our logo. So you come to this part too. Click on browse. Go to your logo. Upload it. As you can see, it's appearing already. I said I did not choose file, but I did. Choose this, and upload. Uploaded successfully. As you can see, you come down here, upload, click here, open. Very simple. Upload. I think that is that for that one. Come here, upload. The same process. Just upload your logo, because the automatic mails that will be entering your mail, this is where it will be, this is the logo it will be coming with. So you have to change all these things so that both the ones coming to your mail and the ones on your website, everywhere the logo will be updated. That is that for that. I think we are done with the logo. So the next thing you want to do is to upload your to configure your email. To configure your email, you come to this place, email configuration. Look at it here. Click on it so that your auto emails can go very fast. Now everything is here already. Your own might not come with this Winvic Finance, because it may be, I will send you a default script, so it will be coming with digital marketing network or something. So you can actually edit it to your own name. So this URL now, you have to edit it to your own name. I'll copy mine here. I'll copy mine here and paste it here. All right, I'll paste it here, copy from here, and also paste it here. So I'll also copy it, paste it here. So you come to this place and you just put your own. I'll leave it like this because I think this is what I'm working with, or you can change yours. Then come down here to paste the name of your website. Come here, paste the URL of your website. then come to this place, then the network, the password. Remember that password, that email we created. If you want it to be coming with support, this is where you put it. That email we created, remember the password, make sure it's saved somewhere. So this is my own password. And I click on update. All right, so your email should be done now. Your email should be, your auto emails and everything should be well configured by now. So if you want to test, you can just put an email here and send a test mail to see if you can receive it, and you're definitely going to receive it. But if you don't receive it, this is what you're going to do. If you don't receive it, you come to here under manage content, click on manage content. Under email templates, you click on email templates. That is if your email doesn't come. This is what you do. Come down, if your confirmation email especially, come down to your email confirmation, click on edit. Then this is just you customizing your listing. Please verify your email below. All right. If your own is not as short as this, if it comes with something long, that means that is the reason it's not sending. So you can just edit it. But I'm sure this will send because it's just please verify your email below to send. So, but if it doesn't send, just come here, edit it, and put something else. It will send. All right. But definitely it will send. So I think that is that for that. And the next thing we're going to be doing, there's a lot we can actually do from the admin. But for now, let's go back and do the last thing in our C panel. Remember, this is our C panel. There's one last thing we're going to edit. Now, if you check our website, okay, let me just show you something very fast. This is our website. So this is our website. I'll show you something, but before that, let's just come to our C panel. I'll remove this. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Okay, I'm done with this too. So this is our C panel. Remember, all right, this is our C panel. So we are going to be editing something very quickly. I think this is the last we're going to be doing in editing and customizing our scripts. So you will come here, click on core, as usual, core underscore invap. You remember how we get here, so there's no need going back and front because there's no more time. Click on resources, click on views, then come to front end. We are going to be editing our front end, indexblade.php. Right click and edit. All right, now this is what we are going to be changing. You see our logo that we just uploaded is here now, so it's no longer showing that this thing. So our logo is here, but we still have the Mac network. This is the default script, the default thing that is coming with the script. So we want to edit it. All right, so we may want to edit it. This is our YouTube video here. We may want to edit that. All right, so something else, and maybe probably edit our numbers and every other thing. So you come here and search for the Mac network. The Mac. Now look at the Mac network. I'm going to just, because this is capital letter, I'm going to just change this one to WinVic Associates. You can change it to the name of your own website. Limited. All right. Then because it's capital letter, that's why I did this one individually. But normally, this is what I would have done. The Mac network, I'll just highlight, click on this search, it will appear here. Then I'll click on this plus sign here. Then I'll replace it with WinVic. Sorry. What am I typing? WinVic Associates. Sorry about this. Associates. What am I typing? So you click on replace all. So anywhere it sees the Mac network, you just replace it. So you not stress yourself going one after the other. You replace all, and that is that. So what else are we going to do? Okay, you search for the Mac NT. So you search for next. So if you search for this is the URL of the default site. So you just come and copy your own URL, or you type it, or anyhow you want to make it. For me, I like to copy and paste because I love something to go very fast. So you come here and you paste it. So you replace everywhere it sees this URL, it replaces it, replace all. All right. So if you want to change the number on this website to a default number, just search for, click on plus sign, where's plus, okay, let's see, let's go to the website and see what we have here. Now, if you're not comfortable with these investment plans, you can still change it from the admin. I'm going to show you that. All right. So first of all, let's save this. If you want to change your number, there's a default number here. If you want to change it, just search for the number. Go to the website, copy the number, come here and paste it and search for it. All right. Then you just replace the number here. All right. So when you're done with that, just click on Save Changes. And that is that for that. Now, if I refresh this page, you won't be seeing this DMARC network anymore. So everything is set. Everything is set. Everything is there. You see, Winvic Associates. So it will be bearing your own name now. All right, it will be bearing your own name now. So all these pages, if you want to edit all these pages, you can actually do that from the admin, but everything is already done well, so there is no need for that. So let's go back to our admin, and this is our admin panel. Now I'm going to run you through on how to just do some basic things, but it's pretty very self-explanatory. So if you just enter the admin, you know what to do. If you want to update your investment plan, look at the investment plan here, click on it, manage schemes. All right, and this is it. You can now update scheme to your required scheme. Then if you want to put your BTC wallet, you come to application settings. Your BTC wallet that will be receiving payments with, come to payment options. Now I'm going to make a separate video on how to really navigate this admin completely, every functionality of the admin. I'll make a separate video for it, but that will be available for those people that are going to get a script from me after watching this video. For people that want to start their project immediately, those people are going to be, I'll be sending these videos to them. So if you want to, your payment method, look at it, payment method, your crypto wallet, of course, that is what you come here, settings, that's what you want to be using to receive payments. So of course, then come down, look at the whole supported crypto wallets. So you select the ones you want to select. If you want all of them to select all of them, then come here and put the wallet addresses here. Make sure this reference field is on show. If it is on high like this one, you click on show, then put all your wallet addresses here and just click on update. And that is that. Congratulations, because you've just designed a full functional BTC investment website, even without any knowledge of coding. Like I said, it is very simple, and just like I promised to deliver, I think I have delivered. Thank you for watching this video, and like I said, I'll be providing you everything, the script and everything that you are required to use to design your own BTC investment website. So if you want to start your own project right now, you can text me on WhatsApp with this number that is appearing on the screen, or I'll leave my number in the description below so that you can contact me and get your script. All right, the script, normally I sell it for 65,000, but if you are coming through this video with this number on the screen, I'll be giving it away for 40,000 naira. So if you want to actually start your own project, if you're serious about starting your own project and learning how to design this particular website you just designed, you can contact me on WhatsApp and I'll make the scripts available to you. And once you buy the script, I'll still be sending you some videos on how to navigate the admin properly, every other functionalities in the admin. In case this video is not enough for you, you can use that video to actually know what to do in the admin. And in case you want to use a different front page that is not this website, I will still make a video that will be telling you how to actually sync another front page, how to use another front page with this particular so that it will look different. All right, so if you're interested, you send me a DM and send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'll be glad to assist you in whichever way I can.